Hey there, EV noobs. If you've just stepped into the world of electric vehicles, or you're just curious about Tesla's latest software update, you might be wondering, what's a software update for a car? How does it work? And why should I even care? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're breaking down Tesla's latest 2024.44.25.2 update in plain English. Tesla vehicles get smarter over time with free over-the-air updates. It's like your car downloading a new app or learning a new skill overnight, all without a trip to the service center. This update is packed with features to make driving easier, safer, and a whole lot more fun. Let's dive in and see what's new, and I'll explain it all in simple terms. Ready? Let's go. Some of you might be saying, Scott, version 13 is already out there. And that's the full self-driving version 13. And it is. And I'm not honestly certain, because I haven't gotten it yet, whether or not there are updates to the base software of the vehicle, because the Tesla, when you get updates, you can actually get several different types of updates. You can get base software updates, which control the inside of the car as far as apps and things of that nature. All right. Then you have navigational updates. Those are updates for your maps. And then you have full self-driving updates. And there is a new full self-driving version 13 that I don't have access to yet. I am on a hardware 3 vehicle. My vehicle is a 2023, and I still had hardware 3. I still feel somewhat like the redheaded stepchild because of this. Come on, Elon. We bought our cars in 2023. You're already going through hardware 4. Should have got it. But Elon tells us, and he promises that he hasn't left us in the dust with our hardware 3 version vehicles, that we will be getting the new full self-driving version 13. But I digress. This update has been out, but I wanted to make certain that I had a full opportunity to play with everything before making a video about it. So stick around. So first up, Tesla has added Apple Watch support. What does it do? Now you can access key Tesla app features directly from your Apple Watch. This means you can lock or unlock your car, start climate controls, and even check your battery status all from your wrist. So why does it matter for the noobs? It's a major convenience upgrade. Forget digging for your phone, just tap your watch and you're good to go. One of the coolest updates is the new mobile app viewer for recorded events. What does it do? Now you can view video clips from your Tesla's built-in cameras directly on your phone. These are the recordings of events like Sentry Mode alerts, and Sentry Mode alerts are events that occur while your car is in park. Someone gets too close to your vehicle, walks around your vehicle, you'll get a Sentry Mode alert, and that's what Sentry Mode is talking about. Or if someone attempts to break into your vehicle, that's a Sentry Mode alert. And this also includes driving incidents that you're able to retrieve from your car, which are captured, which came in super handy for me this week when someone rear-ended me, and I was able to pull up the video right from my phone and show the officer, hey, this person hit me from behind. Why it matters for noobs. Before, you needed to remove the USB drive and plug it into a computer to watch these recordings. Now, it's all right in your Tesla app. Super convenient for checking on your car while you're away or reviewing footage after an alert or after an accident. Next up is the set arrival energy feature. What does it do? This allows you to plan your trips so your Tesla arrives at your destination with a specific amount of battery charge. Why it matters for the noobs. This is great for planning longer trips, especially if you want to make sure you arrive with enough energy to charge at your hotel or continue to your next stop. Previously, Tesla would get you to your destination. So let's say that I plan a route to Key West, Florida, and the car gets me there, but I only have 10% left. That's an issue. Right now, Key West, Florida doesn't have an access to supercharging close by. I'm hearing through the grapevine that there is a new super Tesla charger coming in to Key West, Florida, but as of now there isn't. But if I get down to Key West, Florida with only 10% energy, I might have an issue. So now I'm able to say, hey, I want to arrive in Key West, Florida with 40 or 50%. And I don't know if that's possible. I don't know where the next supercharger was or is. The car will tell you. But it will give you an idea of saying, hey, I need extra energy for my destination, and the car will make it happen. Next up, Tesla has introduced a new passenger seat adjustment feature. But here's the catch. It only works when the seat is empty. What does it do? From your driver's screen, you can now adjust the passenger seat position. This is super helpful when preparing your car for a new passenger or when someone just got out and left that awkward position. Maybe you're trying to shove a really long object in your vehicle and you need to push that seat all the way up or push it all the way back and lean it down. Why it matters for noobs. It's a small convenience feature that saves you from having to physically climb over the seat or ask someone else to adjust the seat. Just remember, it's only available when there's no one sitting in the passenger seat for safety reasons. Now let's talk about search along the route. What is it? When navigating, you can search for shops like coffee shops or charging stations along your planned route without having to start a new destination. Why does it matter for the noobs? It's all about convenience. You can find a quick stop without messing up your overall travel plans. Previously, when performing a search for a coffee shop or whatever, a fueling station for a restroom, it may not have been along your route. It may have actually diverted you off your route. So now it's super convenient because you can see everything that pops up right along the route. Precipitation Map is a new addition in this update. And what does it do? This weather overlay on your navigation map shows where it's raining or snowing. Why it matters for noobs. If you're traveling through unfamiliar areas, this is a great way to plan for safer driving conditions. Now, I will admit, I was a little disappointed when this update came out because I was hoping that it would actually show as you're driving along the route, your planned route, that the snow or the rain would automatically project as you were coming up close to it. It doesn't. You have to physically hit it on the map right now, which then changes the map to a more broader map, which shows radar, precipitation all around you. Maybe for a new feature, precipitation as we're driving. Next update, Tesla has introduced rear crossing traffic alerts. What is it? When backing out of a parking space, your car will now warn you if another vehicle is crossing behind you. Why it matters for noobs. This makes reversing much safer, especially busy parking lots where cars can come out of nowhere. And it is, at least on my vehicle, it's been super sensitive. And yes, a lot of vehicles have had this for years. Why Tesla's just getting it, have no idea. But it's here now, and be thankful. Let's talk about the TuneIn app updates. Tesla has improved the TuneIn app's functionality, including faster loading times, better audio quality, and more intuitive interface for browsing your favorite stations, podcasts, and live content, especially like Scott's EV trips and tricks. Why it matters for noobs. If you're a TuneIn user, this update makes it easier to access your favorite content without any annoying delays or glitches. Whether you're catching up on news, jamming to your favorite music station, or listening to your podcast, it's a smoother experience in your Tesla. Tesla's video updates just got more practical. What's new? With this update, you can now start a video while parked, like a YouTube video or a Netflix episode. And when you begin driving, the video will pause, but the audio will continue to play. Why it matters for you. This turns your favorite videos into podcasts while you're on the road. Whether it's an educational video, a news segment, or even just catching up on your favorite show, you can now keep listening safely while driving. So to recap, the 2024.44.25.2 update includes Apple Watch support for easy access, mobile app viewer for checking in recorded events, set arrival energy for better trip planning, passenger seat adjustments from the driver's controls when the seat is empty, search along the route for seamless navigation, precipitation map to avoid bad weather, rear cross traffic alerts for safer reversing, TuneIn app updates for faster and smoother performance, video updates to play audio while driving. And remember, all of these features came to your car automatically, no service center needed. Over-the-air updates are what makes owning an EV like this so special. Your car keeps improving over time, making it smarter, safer, and more fun. If you've got questions about any of these features, drop them in the comments below. And as always, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. And until next time, happy driving and happy updating. Make sure you check out some of the previous videos for your noobs, tips, and tricks.